Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This Jacksil home invites you in and reminds you that home is really where the heart is. Designed by Tulloch, one of Jamaica's most celebrated architects. This is a prime example of great Caribbean living. And over half an acre of land with an estimated 5,000 square feet floor plan. You are drawn in by the home's pristine front lawn and charming walkway that takes you to the front door. On this level, there are 3 bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms, a recently remodeled kitchen, airy dining room, beautiful home office, powder room, and spacious living room with double volume ceilings. The most remarkable feature of this house is the covered veranda with courtyard. You can just imagine that this is the place where all the magic will happen. There is a guest apartment with its own kitchen, living area, and a sizable bedroom with ensuite bathroom, which is ideal for extended family. The home has given so much joy, and it is time for its new owners to continue its story. The land area of this house is 25,265 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Price for this house is US 1.55 million or Jamaican $238.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.